khublei shibun fibro ka jemput nam tai Khubor Laitkam tegidon ki post ki Lda Hapoh Mbose kidon kumba Arab Tylli post Jong LDA Lower Division Stand Computer Operator dengan play kum kane ka advertisement balapan me. Online application are invited from eligible citizens of India from 23rd of September 2024 for the post specified in the table below. Te ka post kadai ka Lower Division Assistant Computer Operator katulop ke skill dari apnro jasan spa Haduh rupu hajar spa te kemudian katulop kan poi ki Lda Hapoh plus AI makane dari tangkap skill. The number of vacancy kan dari Arab Tylli te Tylli nam taki on reserve SHIPAI nam taki khasi jantia SHIPAI nam taki garo kawe nam taki OST SC kawe nam taki person with disability barok gilong Arab Tylli post. The date of birth to be accepted by the board is as entered in the matriculation secondary school living certificate from any recognized board waktu umnon kamera. The qualification balap and apply di bendep ya ka degree bachelor degree in arts science commerce or its equivalent from modo BA BSc BCom lane gino gi BTech ino gi lada pe ya ka graduation. Knowledge in computer hanesh ong knowledge in computer te klem ong age pangata ka certificate course lara pdep ya kata ka 3 months ne ka 6 months ne ka 1 year te ong baita knowledge in computer tengun ba menuru kila baik lara video ya kata ka knowledge in computer te ka snem ka debet khat pradu life r plus san snem ka relaxation kan long baik khat pradu life o news nem nam taki SCST ka by registration ban apply nam takane kadai news pa san pho na kamanta ki general candidate but sanspa nakamanta ki SCST but OBC kandai sanspa plus bang charge ka shong jing siu jong phi pen siu nak a jung kan be bang charge pada. Submission of application form candidate may submit their application online through the Mbose official website kin penbi Hapoh Mbose official website mbose.in tengah sabuk ka link Hapoh description ru da puli bahai ki instruction showan pendap te kalas date kandai Haduh apply jong Oktober arjar afsau. Offline submission of applicant form will not be accepted. Can they make online submission mo gibo ko apply kamau ha. Terhadap ai instruction ru te daron kam than ban pe kita instruction. Ke to method of selection kan don ka exam. Preliminary test will consist of 50 marks ka English, general aptitude and awareness, SHIPAI mudba SHIPAI san pomak. Dan ladap dang tu kan don ka typing speed and computer skill knowledge. Ladap pass ka prelim pin poi ka typing speed. Ada pengtu typing speed pin poi ka personal interview. Te mudba ki banang komputer be ki dei ban apply ladap himnang komputer mudba mentoi ban apply marba kadon ka typing speed ne computer skill knowledge dimdon be kata ka knowledge on computer wala ladap him late class computer ru rei pinon kambe ka knowledge of computer. Te ladon ki bakwa ban ngan pin apply tengah book ka form Google form link Hapoh ka description. Te fill up on pendap ki detail ki jong phi ngan yarap ban pin apply de kabangan shim san pho tingka ka bai pin apply te ki bakwa ban pin apply te sa pendap ya ka Google form te ngan saya yarap ban pin apply iwe pa iwe te tangki ne ki jong tip khublei shibun.